clean and friendly in the center of Old Town. We had a wonderful stay with Ms. Toy in this fantastic homestay just 30 seconds from the main street and bustling night market. We had a clean and spacious room with a balcony and loved breakfast and the unlimited water. Note that being so close to town it could get a bit noisy at night, but we didn't mind. Ms. Toy helped us organize a fantastic bike tour and was always available to help with recommendations. No need to book tours in advance, wait and get her to help you smile. We highly recommend. Best decision I made. The family are so lovely and the rooms are exactly as pictured, which was a relief due to our previous stay in Hanoi. The breakfast was amazing, very accommodating. Exceptional. Best location for the best price. Few steps away from riverboat ride with lanterns, Old Town and night market. Served healthy breakfast. Staff are very nice and accommodating. Ms. Toy help us a lot to find our ways. Highly recommended. Very good location and staff very nice. Staff very nice. Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. Very good. Toy and her family are very welcoming and attentive. Premises are clean and comfortable. It is pretty central, only few minutes walk to Old Town and Center. Amazing place, highly recommend. Perfect place to discover Hoi An. The whole family of Lan Uyen was so helpful and kind. The location was perfect, very close to the Old Town and at the same time very calm. Thanks for all your help in the 3 days I stayed. Affordable, clean and friendly staff would highly recommend this homestay. The location was perfect and the staff were friendly and helpful. Exceptional. The location is great, just a little walk to the Han River and night market. Staff is friendly, breakfast is very good. Very good, staff is very nice. She gave many useful suggestion. Hotel location is very well, just only 1 minute to Hoi An market. Very homely feeling. Very near to the river. The owners and the managing staff here is very helpful and gives you a very homely feeling here. Ideal location, and perfect in all ways. Must stay here when in Hoi An. Friendly host and nice place. Mrs. Hoa was very friendly, accommodating and supportive during our time here at Hoi An. She assisted to facilitate our entire time here, such as airport transfer from Da Nang Airport to Hoi An, Coconut Village banana boat ride, and our subsequent private car arrangements for the next few days in Hoi An and Da Nang. The homestay we stayed in was comfortable for our night stay. The room was huge and clean and it served our needs for the night stay. Location is very convenient, in close proximity to the riverside, night markets and food chains nearby. Thank you to Mrs. Hoa and the team for the kind hospitality. We will visit you again when we return to Hoi An someday. Totally recommended. 1 block to the famous bridge and 1 block to the night market, awesome location, good facilities and delicious breakfast. The people are extremely kind and helpful. Totally recommended. Smile. Exceptional. The house is located near the Old Town, just a few minutes walk. Room is pretty big and clean. Breakfast is also yummy. Highly recommend. The best homestay, best service, best price, best location, and the most important is the owner, very helpful. During my stay there is typhoon and the owner provide meals for us for free. Thanks for the owner for taking good care to my whole family. Folded hands, smiling face with hearts, smiling face with hearts. Exceptional here, everything is good. It was perfect. Everything was better than expected. Welcome drink. Fruit platters. Cleanliness. Service. We have spent 8 nights in Vietnam, and this was the best hotel. The quality exceeded the price. Awesome property. Amazing location. 1 minute walk to the restaurants and bars, 2-minute walk to the bridge across to Hoi An ancient town. Beautifully clean property. Great room with balcony. The owners are a lovely family and very helpful. I'm planning my next stay. Absolutely recommended.